Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change email labels in Gmail on your Android phone. Keeping your inbox organized is essential for staying on top of your emails, and changing labels can help with that. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android phone. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Locate the message you want to change the label for and touch and hold the letter or photo to the left of it. If you want to change the label for multiple messages, touch and hold any other messages you want to change the label for. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the More icon. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select Change Labels. You will then see a list of labels that you can choose from. Step 5. To add a label, select the checkbox next to the label you want to add. To remove a label, deselect the checkbox next to the label you want to remove. Step 6. Once you've selected the labels you want to add or remove, tap OK. The labels will be updated for the selected messages. And that's it. You've successfully changed email labels in Gmail on your Android phone. It's a simple but effective way to keep your inbox organized and make it easier to find important messages. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.